This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use film burn in DaVinci Resolve. First, ensure you have your film burn assets ready, typically in a video format like MP4 or MOV. These are often available in packs of 10 to 20 different variations. Open your DaVinci Resolve project and navigate to the Edit page. This is where we will begin our creative process, adding that authentic, vintage feel to your footage with just a few simple steps. To import your film burn assets, drag and drop them directly into your media pool. Once imported, select the desired film burn clip and drag it onto a video track above your main footage on the timeline. For best results, place it on video track 2 or 3. This layering is crucial for the effect to properly interact with your primary video. We are aiming for a seamless integration that enhances, rather than distracts from, your main content. Now let's customize the look. With the film burn clip selected on your timeline, go to the Inspector panel. Under the Composite section, change the composite mode from Normal to Screen or Add. Experiment with these two modes to see which best suits your aesthetic. Adjust the opacity slider, typically between 60 and 90%, to fine-tune the intensity. This allows you to control how subtle or pronounced the film burn appears, giving you creative flexibility. For an even more authentic look, consider adding a slight fade in and fade out to your film burn clip using the dissolve handles at its edges. You can also duplicate the film burn clip and layer multiple instances with different blend modes for a richer effect. Remember to adjust the timing and duration of your film burn to match the rhythm of your edit. A little goes a long way in achieving that perfect, nostalgic cinematic feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.